Hello everyone, welcome back to GiGadgets. Robot vacuum cleaners have been around for a while, and most can handle daily cleaning well, but there are few on the market specifically designed to remove pet hair. But for pet owners, vacuuming is a daily chore, sometimes several times a day. It's like a never-ending battle against the tide of pet hair. Eufy, Anker's smart home brand, is launching a new solution, Clean X8 Pro. Let's see how it tackles the long-standing cleaning challenges that plague pet-owning families. Pain point 1. Unsatisfactory cleaning results. While the suction power of a vacuum cleaner is important, it is not the only factor that determines its cleaning performance. Many models on the market have a suction power of 3,000 or 4,000 pascals, which may seem strong enough, but why aren't most of them able to clean thoroughly? That's because high suction power is not the only factor that determines a vacuum cleaner's cleaning performance. A great airflow is also essential. The eufy Clean X8 Pro has inherited the dual suction design of its predecessors and can create 80% more airflow with a remarkable suction power of 2 by 4,000 pascals, delivering up to 1.8 times the cleaning power compared to other robot vacuum cleaners. So how efficient is the X8 Pro's dual turbo suction? Let's take a look at these tests we conducted. As you can see, it effortlessly removes pet food, dog hair, and other hair from carpets in just one pass. Robot vacuum cleaners today are usually great for removing gritty dirt, but hair is their Achilles heel. It has a tendency to wrap around the roller brush, which can reduce the vacuum's cleaning performance. It is frustrating to have to manually clean the roller brush after every vacuum session. How does the X8 Pro overcome this problem? Let's take a look. The X8 Pro features a unique pet hair active anti-tangle technology that consists of a comb and a reversing mechanism on the roller brush. Compared to other models with anti-tangle rollers, the X8 Pro also has a dual brush, a rubber brush as well as a hair brush that effectively loosens tangled hair. This combination effectively loosens and removes tangled hair from the roller brush while maximizing cleaning effect. The powerful twin-turbine suction then sucks in the hair, completing the hair removal cycle. Pain point 2. Manual dustbin cleaning. Emptying a vacuum cleaner's dustbin can be a messy and uncomfortable task, especially for allergy sufferers. The moment the lid is opened, a cloud of dust and small particles can be released, followed by a cascade of hair. For many people, especially those who are already sensitive to allergens, this is a major annoyance. But don't worry, the X8 Pro's self-empty station has you covered. With its large 2.5-liter capacity and antibacterial dust bag, you can safely store dust for up to 45 days without having to empty it. The X8 Pro also offers the emptying frequency setting that lets you customize the cleaning experience to your liking. The self-empty station not only saves you a lot of time and effort, but also protects you and your family from dust exposure, bringing your cleaning experience to a new level of convenience and independence. X8 Pro has updated AI and mapped to 2.0 and now has LiDAR, which can map your house even more accurately, and is capable of navigating and cleaning effortlessly even in the dark. RoboVac X8 Pro is the second robot vacuum from eufy that we have tested. Eufy's R&D capabilities and product strength shown in the predecessor RoboVac X8 impressed us greatly, and we are happy to see that their new Pro version has been further improved in almost every aspect. With its unique anti-tangling brush design and powerful dual 4,000 pascal suction power, RoboVac X8 Pro is the optimal solution for pet hair removal. In addition to its superior hair cleaning capabilities, enhanced features like the self-empty station make it a convenient and effortless cleaning powerhouse for any household. This versatile robot vacuum also offers a very competitive price among the top tiers, particularly now with its reduced price of $650. To learn more about it, be sure to check out the links in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, give us a like and subscribe.